Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how you can configure Google User Tag Management for one of your Builderall affiliate funnels. Now again, this is going to require some knowledge with Google User Tag Management, but once you've set up your account inside Google Tag Manager, you just simply have to take the code and insert it inside your Builderall funnel. So here we are at the affiliate dashboard, and the funnel that we're going to be using is the Builderall Home funnel. Now here what we're going to want to do is just simply take a look at the domain that we've added to this specific funnel. Next, what we want to do is go over to Google Tag Manager and create an account using that domain. Once we've done that, it will then show you your domain, which is your container name, and then it will provide you a container ID. All you have to do is just simply copy paste the container ID, go back into your funnel, select pixels, and you'll have three options. One is Facebook, two is Google Analytics, and then finally you have Google Tag Manager. So here is where you can go in and either press Ctrl V, and you'll see that it indicates valid. Once it indicates valid, you can now save this, and now you have successfully set up your Google Tag Manager and connected it to your Builderall funnel. I hope you found the contents in this video helpful. Hey, until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.